Before a criminal court can convict someone of a crime, the judge must be convinced of the person's guilt at a very high level of certainty. This level of certainty is known as beyond reasonable doubt. But what exactly does this phrase mean in criminal law? Beyond reasonable doubt is the standard of proof required to convict an accused person in a criminal case. It means that the judge must be firmly convinced that the accused committed the crime based on the evidence presented during the trial. However, it does not mean absolute certainty. Courts understand that in real life, it is rarely possible to prove something with 100% certainty. Instead, the law requires that the evidence must be strong enough that a reasonable person would have no logical doubt about the guilt of the accused. During a criminal trial, the prosecution presents evidence such as witness testimony, documents, forensic reports, and other materials. The defense lawyer then challenges this evidence through cross-examination and legal arguments. The judge carefully studies whether the evidence is reliable, consistent, and supported by facts. If the evidence clearly proves that the accused committed the crime and no reasonable doubt remains, the court may convict the accused. But if the evidence leaves a genuine and logical doubt about the guilt of the accused, the court must give the benefit of that doubt to the accused. This rule is one of the most important protections in criminal justice. It ensures that people are not punished unless the evidence against them is strong and convincing. Because criminal punishment can affect a person's freedom, reputation, and future, the law demands very high certainty before declaring someone guilty. That is why the principle of beyond reasonable doubt is central to criminal law. It protects innocent people from wrongful conviction and ensures fairness in the justice system. Law follows procedure. Procedure protects justice as well as individual rights. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.